The moon is a lot older than we think. Maybe even older than the Earth or the Sun. The oldest age the Earth is estimated to be is 4.6 billion years old. Moon rocks were dated at 5.3. The abundance of refractory elements like titanium in the surface areas is so pronounced that several geologists proposed that refractory compounds were brought to the moon's surface in great quantity in some unknown way. They don't know how, but that it was done and cannot be questioned. In 1962, NASA scientist Dr. Gordon MacDonald stated, "If the astronomical data are reduced, it is found that the data require that the interior of the moon is more like a hollow than a homogeneous sphere." In Carl Sagan's treatise, Intelligent Life in the Universe, the very famous astronomer stated, "A natural satellite cannot be a hollow object." Here's a very interesting one. This phenomenon was repeated with Apollo 13 because it happened to Apollo 12. Intentionally commanding the third stage to impact the moon during the third stage of the NASA moon landing. With even more startling results, seismic instruments recorded that the reverberations lasted, the vibrations, for 3 hours and 20 minutes and traveled to a depth of 25 miles, leading to the conclusion that the moon has an unusually light or even empty to no core at all. Surprise! The maria on the moon is composed primarily ilmenite, a mineral containing large amounts of titanium. Well, that's funny because the same metal is used to fabricate the hulls of deep-diving submarines and the skin of the SR-71 Blackbird. Uranium-236 and Neptunium-237, elements not found in nature anywhere on Earth, were discovered in lunar rocks. How does one explain the coincidence that the moon is just the right distance coupled with just the right diameter to completely cover the sun during an eclipse? The Shard, SHARD, look it up. It's been noted. The Orbiter 3 in 1968 caught it. It was discovered by it. The Shard, a obelisk-shaped object that lowers 1.5 miles from the UKERT, UKERT area of the moon's surface, was discovered by Orbiter 3 in 1968. Dr. Bruce Cornett, who studied the amazing photographs, stated, "No one natural process can explain such a structure."